Hey, so I just got off the bus and we're on our way down now. I'm not sure where we're going though. Okay, so right now I'm just about to use the bathroom, but after I use the bathroom, I think I'm gonna go on the pond walk. I'm super excited because I love me walking. I've been wanting to go on a hike forever. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now we're just walking along the trail. Say hi, guys. I think I'll update you guys when we get by the pond. Okay, vlog. So I just finished eating. I had just ate some pizza and some wings, something regular, something calm. And I'm about to go make my tote bag now. I want to make like a spring. I'm making a spring themed tote bag, and it's about to be, well, it's autumn. So, but yeah, I'll show you guys what I make. Okay, so now I finished eating and everything. I forgot to update you for a really long time. I forgot to update y'all for a minute. But I just been painting. I've been doing the make your own tote bag thing. I'm gonna show y'all it when it's done. I started. Hey vlog. This is what I have so far. Oh, it's cute. Oh my gosh. That looks like walking. It's not like a... I could have, reported to class. Wait, but another update is that I lost my jacket. Yeah. It's one of my favorite jackets, so that really sucks. But what can I do? Okay. Just made it on a bus. God bless. It was a super fun day. Inshallah, make it home safely and everything. I'll make it back to Empire safely and everything, and I'll give you guys an update there.